Welcome! If you've ever found yourself unable to zoom in on a website using Google Chrome on your mobile device, you're not alone. Many sites restrict zooming, which can make reading small text or viewing images a challenge. Fortunately, Chrome offers a simple way to control this with the Force Enable Zoom feature. Today, I'll show you how to disable Force Zoom on Google Chrome Mobile, updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. Navigate to the web page where you want to adjust your zoom settings. This ensures you can immediately test the changes once you're done. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots. This opens the Chrome menu, where you'll find a range of options to customize your browsing experience. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy to appearance. Now keep scrolling until you see the Accessibility section. Tap on Accessibility to enter the accessibility settings. Here, you'll find options designed to make browsing easier for everyone. Within Accessibility, look for the option labeled Force Enable Zoom. If this is turned on, Chrome will allow you to zoom in on all websites, even those that normally block zooming. To disable this feature, simply tap the toggle switch so it turns off. When Force Enable Zoom is off, Chrome will respect each website's zoom settings, and you'll only be able to zoom if the site allows it. Once you've made this change, you can return to your web page and test it out. Try pinching to zoom. If the site restricts zooming, you'll notice the difference right away. Disabling Force Enable Zoom can be helpful if you want a browsing experience that matches the site designer's intent, or if you're troubleshooting display issues caused by forced zooming. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Force Zoom in Google Chrome Mobile. If you ever want to turn it back on, just follow these steps and toggle the switch again. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.